Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Git Commit. So let's get started. Git Commit. Since we have finished our work, like it moved to staging. Now we have to move to Git. Okay. So adding commit keep track of our progress and changes as we work. Git consider each commit change point or save point. Okay, it is a point in the project you can go back if you find a bug or want to change. Okay, so whenever we commit we should always include a message. Okay, so how we commit? Git commit -m means message, and this message we have given the first list of hello world. Okay, the commit command perform a commit and m for message I have told you. Okay, and this is the message. Look, git commit without staging. If your file is not in staging environment, and then how you will commit? You have to write first go. Wait, sometimes we make small changes using the staging environment seem like waste of time. It is possible to commit changes directly skipping the staging environment. The -a option will automatically stage every changes. Okay, already tracked. So how we will do it? And check the status of project, but for this time we use -1 short. Okay, option to see the changes in a more compact way. So git status -short. Okay, so it will show us the like untracked files, file added to stage, modified file, delete file. Okay, so git commit -a and m, direct way to commit. Okay, so skipping the staging environment is not generally recommended. Skipping can include some unwanted files in your project or repository, you can say. And how we will check the git log. Okay, so whatever you have committed, so author, date and commit, head to master, everything will be shown with the message also. Commit the change to current repository with the message. So here I have told -m and here commit. Okay, now we will submit and check. Sure, so it's correct. So like this you can work. So it is very important topic as point of interview. Please go through it. If you have any question, please do comment. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye bye.